Okay, so want to talk to you today about this little doohickey right here. It's actually a wireless receiver that can change your lights off and on wirelessly. So instead of, as you can see over here, we just have a wall switch, which is super far away from the bed on the other side of the room. So when I ordered this, I was like, absolutely genius. One, magnetic. Two, it comes with a wall plate, so you can easily attach it. So it now lives in our light. It's been hooked up. My husband did it. He said it took like 10 minutes. Very, very easy to do. I can turn this off and on. So this is actually perfect for when I have a guest visiting. They can have this light switch. I can install this right at the side of their bed. It's magnetic, so you can take this with you. I just turned it off. You can take this with you. It says off and on. Very easy to do. You can also put this on fans, like ceiling fans. It's a ton of different uses, but also just that convenience without having to redo all the electrical wiring in a room, just to have the convenience of being able to turn the light off and on. Really great for my husband. He has his desk in here. He doesn't have to go to the other side of the room, turn it off and on if he's on a Zoom call, something like that. Again, magnetic right here on the back. Take a look at this. Boop. So just absolutely genius. Let me show you what this looks like together. Boop. Okay. And then if you want to, you can put this on, just turn it off again. You can put this in the wall plate on the wall. Looks beautiful and literally can take it with you. So if you're like, again, I have an elderly parent that's coming to stay with us, they can just put this right at their bedside. Fantastic. I don't have to it's no additional cost to do the rewiring. So overall, very, very impressed with this. Very clean, neat wall plate. The install was very easy. So want to encourage you to check this out. Let me know if you try it. Let me know what you think. I was gifted this in exchange for my honest opinion, and now you have it. Big fan.